Aircraft marshalling. Fix aircraft arrival. Arms above the head in vertical position. Right arm is placed on the side while the left moves sideways. Left arm is placed on the side while the right moves sideways. Arms down with palms towards the ground, then move them up and down for several times. Arms crossed above the head, palms facing forward. Arm or hand is in shoulder level as it moves across the throat while the other hand faces downwards. Face me. Turn left. Turn right. Slow down. Stop. Cut the engine. Thank you for watching, guys.